Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first video of 2025. This video is a fresh start clean with me video. I've taken a couple of weeks off. It's been a really busy time for us with Christmas and everything. So I have a lot to do around here. So if you're looking for some cleaning motivation, you've come to the right place. Let's get started with today's video. So you guys, I've been absolutely loving my Dreamegg sunrise to start off my days. It mimics the natural sunrise, so you are waking up so peacefully rather than your blaring alarm clock going off. And at nighttime, you are drifting off to sleep with the most soothing sounds and the most beautiful soothing colors. You can choose from so many different colors and sounds, whatever suits you for that evening. There are literally so many different color and sound combinations. The Dreamegg can enhance your mental wellness, you sleep better, and you just wake up feeling ready to take on the day. I really hate those blaring alarm clock sounds. This has been such a nice change for my bedroom. If you want to add the Dreamegg to your bedroom ambiance, make sure you go to my description box down below. I will leave the link for you guys there. Okay, so I am heading upstairs into my bathroom. It really needed a good deep clean. I did work on cleaning the clutter off of the counter a couple of days ago, but the floor still needed to be vacuumed and washed. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. The good news is in January here, Jeff's going to have a little bit of time to work on the house. So I think we're going to be working on the steam shower and finishing off the master bathroom here. I cannot wait to do that because I want to show you guys. It's literally been like this for 2 years since we moved in. We've been like really short on time between, the boys and hockey and traveling and stuff like that. So we are carving out some time to get this place done. Yeah, that orange reflection in the window, that's the waterproofing for the steam shower. That's going to be gone soon, hopefully. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. But I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's lavender spray just to go ahead and wipe down all the counters, sprayed it down the cabinets. I noticed a little bit of toothpaste and dust and whatnot, so I just wanted to get that cleaned up. Just using a sponge and a cloth, and we're going to go ahead and get all of this nice and shiny and sparkly.
Every time that I am with you, your laughter takes me to heaven. I just want to make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated.
I've shared this little hack on here before, but in case you guys don't know, a little bit of lemon essential oil will get anything that is sticky or gooey up off of your counters. I've had like lots of times where there's like stickers that I need to get off of things and whatever. So I just use a drop of lemon essential oil, and that just like loosens up the adhesive and helps get that off. So I just want to take a few minutes to put together my new Haturi Dyson vacuum stand. This is going to make my vacuum storage so much more organized and easier. This is an essential accessory designed for both practicality and elegance. I'm going to walk you guys through the simple installation process. It takes literally just like 15 minutes from start to finish, and it was nice and easy to put together. The instructions were so easy to follow and understand. It came with everything you needed to put it together. So luckily I didn't need Jeff because he was out of town. I was able to do this all by myself. I love how the power cord gets threaded right up through the frame because this just keeps it nice and sleek and clean and free of any kind of cords hanging around. It literally just like comes out the back side and you plug it in. It just, honestly, this is a brilliant idea. So I was really impressed with this. It is nice and sturdy and heavy, so it's not going to be wobbling around or anything. Once you've got that main frame assembled and you've got the plug attached to the top, you can go ahead and you hang your hooks for your accessories. This added feature allows for convenient storage for all of your vacuum attachments. It keeps everything nice and organized and easily accessible. You guys, that is so brilliant because usually my Dyson accessories are just like kicking around all over the place in a cabinet. These are nice and easy to reach. They are right there for you to see, so you're not missing anything. With everything all set up, it is time to hang my Dyson vacuum cleaner. The stand is designed with stability in mind, so it's going to ensure that your vacuum is securely supported, giving you the peace of mind that it won't tip over and slide. You guys know those vacuums are so expensive, so you want to have something that's not going to be tipping over and breaking your vacuum. You can notice the quality craftsmanship of the stand. The sleek, high quality coating that matches the Dyson color scheme exactly gives it a premium feel, while the precise construction ensures that there are no gaps or misalignments between the joints. The fine paintwork and smooth texture highlights the attention to detail that sets the stand apart. It is really well made, you guys, nice and sturdy, and it just looks super high quality, and I can't believe how great the price is for such a high quality stand. Overall, this vacuum stand keeps my vacuum secure and safe and tucked away nice and compact. Everything is organized and tucked away nicely. I am more than happy with this stand, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and leave this linked down below in the description box for you so you guys can check it out for yourselves. All right, so I've got a bunch of dishes I want to take care of here. I've got a pile of clean dishcloths that I need to fold up and put away. So we're going to get to work on getting some of this stuff tidied up in here. I still have my Christmas decorations up, you guys. I try to keep up with all the other YouTubers on here, but I just think it's like not even like doable for me or like a lot of families really to take everything down right on Boxing Day. My family really likes to keep things up until at least New Year's, but with the busyness of hockey and whatnot, it's just like our schedules are all over the place. So I don't know when I'm going to have a day to like put everything away. So basically I'm going to try to do that over the next couple of days. But if you're looking for some motivation to get everything taken down right away, you're not going to find that here. This is like kind of fly by the seat of your pants channel. You know, still getting you guys that motivation, but being really realistic about how busy life can be. And, you know, there's other more important things. So if you don't get your decorations down, you still got them up. It's okay. They will get down and put away and organized at some point. And on this night, we actually had a pizza night. The kids were having a sleepover, so we had some Pizza Hut because that is the kids' favorite. They like the deep dish pizza, and they just had a little bit of soda, so that was just the treat of the night. So I'm just gonna go ahead, wipe down all the counters. They're all upstairs. It's getting late, but I really wanted to get this all cleaned up before I head up there because I just didn't feel like waking up to a messy kitchen in the morning, especially when we have company over. You know, in the morning I'm gonna have to make breakfast for the kids so they can come downstairs to a clean kitchen and I can make some pancakes or whatever for the kids for the sleepover. And I still have all of our Christmas alcoholic beverages on the windowsill. We have seriously like a decent sized collection that we've been collecting over a few years. We honestly don't really drink that much. It's usually just on special occasions when company's over. So we kind of had like a little mini bar set up on the counter for Christmas and New Year's, and I still have to get that put away. So usually I keep that stuff all in the kitchen island. I have cabinets lined up all under the, like where the bar chairs are. So that's got to go back down there, but I didn't get that put away on this day because it was getting late and I just wanted to kind of do the bare minimum, just make it nice and tidy so I could head upstairs. I'm still going to have some cleaning to do once I get upstairs, but I really wanted to make myself a nice cup of tea. The ambiance down here right now is so nice, you guys. We did end up putting that pergola outside of our kitchen window. I still have to do a video on that. I do have the footage. I want to show you guys all about it. It's just been really busy with Christmas and whatnot, but it is just like so cozy and beautiful down here right now with the lights and stuff. So making myself a nice cup of ginger tea, and we're gonna go upstairs and tackle some laundry up there in my room. This is the tea I've been getting from Costco. I love this. It's honey ginger. I recommend it. If you like honey and ginger, it's a really nice tea to have in the evenings. It just makes you feel so much better. It's just like super comfy and cozy feeling. And before we head upstairs, I just want to give you guys a little peek of how nice and cozy it looks down here with all of the lights. And yeah, I just really love how it looks down here. We've got these little twinkly lights around the window, in the floral arrangement there outside. I'm going to actually unplug those. Here's our little like alcohol collection from Christmas. Yeah, so that's it. We're going to head upstairs and get some of that laundry done up there. All right, so we are upstairs in my bedroom. Moo is knocked out on my chair over here, so we're gonna just do some laundry. I'm gonna leave him peacefully sleeping, even though I wish I was him right now because he looks so comfortable. But before I jump into bed, I did want to get some of this laundry cleaned up. Jeff and Chandon are actually out of town in Toronto for a hockey tournament, so I was able to like stay up later and get cleaning and stuff done. Jeff usually has to get up really early to run hockey schools, so I can't really do this stuff normally at nighttime, but since he's away right now, I can go ahead and try to tackle a lot of this laundry and get things put away. The rack right there that you guys see on the right side of the screen, that's not even supposed to be in my room. I put that there temporarily just so I could sort the clothes to put into the kids' closets, but it's still been sitting there. I'm just gonna have to go ahead and get that out of here because it's become a little too convenient just to like hang things and throw them there, and then the kids will come in my room. They won't take all of their shirts, they'll just like take one. I'm like, okay, this isn't even a closet, you guys. Please take all of your shirts. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take that apart and just go ahead and put that in the basement. And I've got that big plastic bag in the hallway. I am collecting things for donation. First, I'll offer them to my sister because her boys are younger than mine, so they might fit her boys. And then if she doesn't want them, then they can go to the Salvation Army, a thrift shop, or whatever it is that she wants to give them to. I'm also going to go ahead and get this laundry sorted so I can put it in the washing machine before I actually head to bed. That way I can continue on in the morning. My goal is to have this all done before Jeff and Chandon get back into town from their tournament. It'll just make it that much easier to have things tidied up, especially with all the Christmas mess. And it's so funny, I had the camera on while I was in the laundry room, and then as I was editing this video, I could see Charlotte just like hanging out, scratching her chin, looking around. Sometimes I wonder what in the world they're thinking. But yeah, she sits here for a minute and kind of looks around, and then she takes off down the hallway, probably to see what in the world I'm up to. But yeah, she's super cute. She hangs out with me usually wherever I go. All right, and I got a new pair of Uggs, but I cannot decide on the height and the color. So I'll show you guys the ones that I got, and then you can tell me which ones you think. And that's definitely Charlotte over there, drinking out of a glass of water on the night table. She's a diva. She likes to drink out of cups. Anyway, okay, so these are the minis in the color sand. So I'm thinking wearing to the rink, leggings, socks, you know, looking super cute, comfy, and cozy. So that's those ones. And then I got these ones. These are the short in the chestnut color. So what do you guys think? Short or mini, or the mini in chestnut, or this one in sand? What should I do? I don't know what to do. I want them both, but I really shouldn't keep them both. We have hockey sticks to buy. Let me know what you guys think. You guys, this is basically what I'm using for my gym bag right now. So I just started regularly going to the gym about a month ago. I've missed the past week and a half to 2 weeks because we were in Phoenix and then Christmas. But I'm back at it tomorrow. Yeah, this is what I'm using. I need a recommendation for a gym bag. So if you guys have a gym bag that you love, I would love for you to tell me about it, because this is like not really practical. So I've got my sneakers in here, workout clothes, Advil. I put Tums in here because one time I had horrific heartburn from working out, and I never get heartburn, and it like made me want to throw up. So anyways, all the essentials so I can have a good workout. But yeah, not in this bag, so we're gonna have to switch this out. This is a very expensive expensive break, if you know what I mean. Like literally like $500.
It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places.
All right, so that's all I got done upstairs on that night because it was getting late and I was tired. So this is the next day. I am just getting our couches ready because we sold these ones. We have new ones coming. Leather is just a no-go for us because the cats really like scratched it up and damaged it. So sold these on Facebook, and yeah, I just lined these up at the front door. They're all cleaned up, so somebody can just get the repair kit and like repair these. I've seen some videos on YouTube, but they actually looked really good. I was gonna do it, but there was just no point because they would just get damaged again right away. So those are gone now. In my next video, I'll show you guys our new couches. And I just wanted to finish up in the bathroom upstairs. I vacuumed on like yesterday, but I never ended up washing the floors. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these floors here, and then this bathroom will actually be all nice and clean and done.
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
Okay, so once this bathroom is all cleaned and the floors are washed up, that is actually going to be it for today's video, because I have lots of more cleaning to do, but it's never ending. So I'm going to be doing some more in the next video, which I actually started filming today, you guys. So make sure, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. I also wanted to just show you a little clip of some of the video I took that's going to be in my next video. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.